Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to cyberspace with another new video. So in this video I will talking about and I will show you another marketplace, and it's very well known marketplace, and it's very low competitive marketplace. Any new freelancer For any new freelancer, they can stay here easily. Let's see. But before starting the video, I requested you please subscribe to my channel. And so let's get started. You can see Upwork, then Fiverr, freelancer.com. They are very competitive marketplace as a new freelancer. So as a new freelancer, it's very hard to stable in these three marketplaces. So I just show you another marketplace. It's not so well known, but uh, I I'm working here. So I just show you. Okay, I just show you in this marketplace called Seoclerk, and you can work in Seoclerk by in SEO service, SEO related service mainly, and you can also work content writing or article writing, programming. So I just give a brief or short overview about SEO clerks, and then you will decide that will you work here or not. So let's get started. Just okay, I just go to the incognito window for hide my IP. Okay, then to SEO clerks. Just write here SEO clerks, and okay, here is the marketplace, and the service or selling system is gig system. It's not like Upwork, like project system. Any seller can sell his service by gig system. You can see here is the link building service. In link building, you can get Web 2.0, backlinks, blog comments, personal blog network service, then directory submission, link development, site link sales, and many services in link building. Suppose we go to directory submissions, backlink, and you can see here many gigs in directory submissions. Someone sell his gig $25, someone $1. Okay, so the marketplace is level system, and in level 1 you can't in staying in level 1 you can't sell any gig lower than $5. So, and the main point is payment method. Interesting topic is you can get your payment by in this marketplace by PayPal, credit card, ARTM, crypto, and even bank transfer system. And you also can get your payment by this marketplace payment system, and you can also use PayPal and this etc. And you can also see content writing, and I think the content writing is very popular now. It's very popular in this marketplace. Okay, article writing. Okay, let's see a gig like suppose this gig. Okay, here's the gig image and descriptions and tags, extra service. The seller is level 1 seller. Okay, I just show you a new thing in the below of the website, and I just want to tell you the website and the marketplace is 100% genuine. There is no doubt. And I just show you use the levels option. I want to save something. I want to save something. Then okay. You can see level 1. You in staying in level 1, you can withdraw minimum $20. When you earn a minimum $20, you can withdraw your payment in by any payment method in this marketplace. Okay, then in staying in level 1, you can create or publish only 10 services or 10 gigs. Okay, and your price can't be less than $5, that I already tell you. Okay, and then in level 2 you can get this uh, advantages staying in level 2 option. Okay, then you can get these benefits. And you can these benefits. There are many levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and uh, each level have their benefits. Okay, so for registered here or sign up here, you can just click join option. Just put your username, email, password, and confirm password, and click the continue option. So I just randomly input a username, like suppose I already registered or sign up here, then that's why I just show you that. Suppose I just get this username, and you input your email and here, and password, confirm your password, then click the continue option. But as I already registered here, I can't again registered here. So I just show you that in last 1 month uh, what I can income in this marketplace. Just see. Okay, you can see in last 1 month I can earn 49 US dollar from this marketplace, and by 7 order or 7 sales. So I just give you a small overview about this marketplace, and I just want to tell you a great thing and interesting thing about this marketplace, and that is you can boost your service or you can boost your gigs freely in this marketplace. Like this is okay, this is my gig, and I already sell 5 sales by this gig, and I profit through it about almost 41 US dollar. So I can boost my this service or any service in this marketplace, means Seoclerks. And when you post your service will showed in the top page of Seoclerk. Like I can let me shown. Okay, here you can see that there is a banner at featured. You can also feature your service, and when someone or any buyer entry in Seoclerk, then enter in Seoclerk, then they can see your service easily, and you can also get discount and like this. So that's a very interesting topic, that you can rank your service in Seoclerk by boosting your service. So that's very interesting and unique uh, topic in this marketplace. So, and you can also knock, and you can also send messages to the support team for any purpose or any trouble. The support team of this marketplace are very careful, and they're very responsive. So you can try this marketplace, and this is better than uh, Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com. For a new seller or new freelancer, you can stay here easily or and competitive, and this is very low competitive, you know. So I will make another video, and I will show you how can you publish a service or publish a gig in this marketplace, and how can you boost your service and get top ranked on Seoclerks. And so for this, please subscribe to my channel and wait for another video. So thank you very much.